One decision can determine whether your property is rented within weeks or it sits vacant for months. Whether you want to rent your property directly as a landlord or you want to hire or appoint a real estate agency who can find a tenant for your property, choice is yours, but experience, benefits and risk can be different. Let's discuss. So if you are planning to rent your property by yourself, you may have limited reach, whereas if you are appointing any real estate agency, they already have well established platforms like Bayur, Property Finder, Dubizzle, and they have reach on social media and on their agency network, which will help you bring more tenant inquiries and lease your property faster. Legal risk is one of the important factors. Compliance and paperwork can be hassle-free because with the professional team who are managing the Tarakhisi permits and Ijari compliances and complete documentation process, which can be full of hassle for you to manage your advertising or documentation issues can also happen, and some compliance can also be missing, which can lead to fines for you. As a landlord, what is important for you, whether you want to save your time and get money in your account or you want to manage your viewings by yourself. When renting a property, you may get endless calls, you may get a lot of viewings, and some of the viewings you may miss when you are not available within the town or within the city. But when any professional team is handling that one, they have a special dedicated team who are flexible on their schedules and their viewings are being managed without any hassle. Quality of tenant is normally depending on how professionally those tenants are being identified or verified. With the real estate agent, they can verify your tenants, their background screening, they're qualified, whether their prospects, their interest is genuine or not. You may get a lot of unqualified inquiries, time wasters and unknown tenant profiles you may find when you are renting your property by yourself. For self-managed inquiries, most of the time it is noticed like the longer tenancy, longer vacancy period is observed, lower rental return is also observed, limited market knowledge is one of the challenge which you may face. Faster leasing when you are renting it through a real estate professional or expert price strategy and maximum rental value these are the benefits you are getting when you are renting it through a professional. Time and peace of mind, these are the two factors, because managing your property by yourself will give you a lot of stress, constant calls, paperwork, negotiation and follow-ups, whereas if you give it to a professional team, and you will be able to save your time and all your issues will be resolved by your professional team. Now the choice is yours, whether to lease your property by yourself or you want to be smarter with the maximum exposure, verified tenants, professional viewing, RERA compliance, faster leasing and higher rental return. The experience and the risk can be different. Let's consult before deciding whether you want to rent it today by yourself or through a professional team.